Did you know that the majority of individuals devote more effort to planning their trips than to money management? It's true. But don't worry, we'll provide you with the knowledge and abilities you need today to control the financial world. But first, allow me to ask you a question. Have you ever wondered why some people have a remarkable knack for making their money work for them, while others struggle to make ends meet? It all boils down to financial literacy, my friends, that one magical word. We're going to offer you a crash course in Personal Finance 101 today, how to manage money wisely from scratch. So get your pens and calculators and let's get going. Building a solid financial foundation. It's time to start laying the foundation for financial success, everyone. And what better place to begin with a budget? Budgeting seems about as fascinating as watching paint dry, but believe me when I say it changes everything. But before, allow me to ask you a question. Have you ever attempted to construct a sandcastle without a sturdy foundation? It eventually falls apart more quickly than your motivation to hit the gym in January. Ain't I right? Guess what though, your money situation is similar to that sandcastle. Your financial aspirations could come crashing down without a firm foundation faster than a sugar addict can eat a cookie. So get your shovels, put some sunblock on, and let's get digging. First, establish a budget. Consider it your financial roadmap. To understand where your money is going and make any necessary modifications, you may track your income and expenses using a budget. It's like having a road plan for your financial journey. The second step is to save. Having an emergency fund on which to build a strong financial foundation allows you to deal with life's unforeseen curveballs. Try to save enough money for 3 to 6 months of expenses. It's like you have a superhero shield to keep you safe from financial mishaps. Third step, subdue the debt dragon. Credit card debt in particular has to be paid off since it may quickly deplete your financial resources. Create a strategy for dealing with your debts and releasing yourself from their control. Step 4 is to make future investments. Start investing to increase your money. Consider it like sowing seeds that will eventually blossom into a money tree. Compound interest may be used to your advantage to make your money grow magically. Here's the startling details. You might be able to save enough money by reducing those impulsive purchases and changing where your hard-earned money goes to reward yourself to a well-earned holiday, replete with a luxurious hotel, spa services, and a personal butler called Jenkins. Jenkins, please bring me my slippers. Though I digress. The key is that budgeting enables you to get control over your finances, avoid falling into financial trouble, and realize your ambitions. Let's next use our inner accountants to start making a budget that even the most thrifty superhero would be proud of. Consider your spending plan as your financial GPS. It directs your money in the right direction and prevents you from making impulsive turns into the realm of impulse buys and buyer's regret. How much do you spend on coffee each month? Sure, venture a guess. Is it $10, $50, or even $100? Doesn't this sound totally absurd? You might be shocked to find that skipping your daily cup of coffee from a high-end coffee shop might help you save up to $1,000 annually. Consider what you could buy if you had that extra cash. Pay attention to where your money is going and treat your budget with the respect and compassion it deserves. Taming the credit card beast. Credit cards. The financial world's two-edged blade. They might be a valuable resource or a ruthless monster that devours your hard-earned cash. Did you realize that the typical American family owes more than $8,000 on their credit cards? Yikes! Now is the time to seize our weapons and vanquish the vicious credit card beast. Roar! But first, allow me to ask you a question before we engage in combat. Have you ever had the feeling that your credit cards have a mind of their own and can transform simple shopping excursions into dreadful financial situations before you can say swipe? They seem to possess a superpower that empties our bank accounts more quickly than a racing car. Do you know your credit score? I'll ask you that now. It resembles looking into a mythical crystal ball to predict your financial future. Take control of your financial destiny by grabbing hold of your magic credit score report and learning all about it. But how can you escape becoming caught in the financial trap of credit cards? My friends, the key to saving money may be found in 2 words: careful spending. It's crucial to use a credit card responsibly by making at least the minimum payment each month, if not the whole balance. By doing this, you may prevent those annoying interest fees that can make a minor transaction into a dire financial situation. Oh, and here's an interesting fact. Did you know that your credit score might affect whether you receive your ideal job, flat, or even a low-interest loan? Like a financial report card, really. So, monitor your credit utilization, make on-time payments on your accounts, and watch as your score soars. Remember, controlling your spending, eliminating interest fees, and fortifying your credit score are the keys to conquering the credit card beast. So let's march on to triumph while tightening our financial belts and drawing our financial swords. The mighty power of saving and investing. It's time to talk about the most exciting component of personal finance, saving and investing, my money-smart friends. I'm aware of your thoughts at this point, but host, I can hardly save enough to invest, much less have a good taco night. Do not be alarmed, my friends. Even the tiniest deposits can develop into powerful financial fortifications. Do you know how much you would have if you invested only $50 a month for the next 30 years in a low-cost index fund? Take a guess. Drumroll, please. The price would exceed $60,000, and therein is the strength of compound interest in action. In order to see your money increase over time, start small and automate your saves. Oh, and it's never too early to think about retiring when we're talking about the future. Before you know it, you'll be hanging up your work boots since time moves as quickly as a cheetah hunting its food. Don't forget to create an IRA or make contributions to your employer's retirement plan. Your future self will surely appreciate it. Imagine that you are sipping on a delicious latte at your favorite coffee shop when suddenly you receive a message informing you that you have just made money. It is comparable to getting paid to sip coffee. How incredible would that be? Now, my friends, is the moment to leverage investment to achieve that objective. You may be able to generate passive income and see your money increase quicker than a weed in a garden by investing in stocks, bonds, or even real estate. Friends, let me ask you, are you ready to enter the enchanted world of financial freedom? If the response is a loud yes, then don't forget to click the subscribe button and become a member of our group of savvy investors. Together, we can rule the financial world, spread financial literacy, and turn money into a game. What will be the first miraculous action you'll take towards your financial objectives? Will you start putting more money away, invest like a genuine sorcerer, or maybe you'll finally get over your phobia of money? Let us know your magic plans in the comment section below. For now, our enchanted voyage comes to an end. However, don't forget to check into future enchanted episodes of Personal Finance 101, when we'll discover the tricks of retirement planning, rule the world of taxes, and release the power of financial empowerment. Don't forget to subscribe right away and join us on this wonderful journey. Thanks for watching.